In this video, we're back again with the 2007 Lexus LS 460. Doing the process on day 2, we actually did take some time-lapse video. So we thought it would be a good idea just to put something together just so you can see a little bit of the process. But the beautiful thing about this video is that it captures me and my son working together. And at the end, you'll notice that he actually got a chance to do some polishing, the finishing touches, and he sold. You know, he actually got a chance to experience detailed therapy at its best. So, hey, take a look. Let me know what you think.